Okay, this is the little Stihl chainsaw that we got for Zaki, Poppy and I, including a toolkit. This is just awesome. You got to see this because it's just so good. You have little instructions here. You also have a new chain in case the other one breaks under high stress levels, wasn't it? In case it breaks under high stress levels. And also a little tool here. Yep, that's to use to replace your chain. Okay, now we're going to do a demo. So you take the... Oh, there it is there. Beautiful. Okay, so Poppy's doing a demo. Alright, so you have to prime it, choke it up, get it ready. Go, Poppy. Oh, yeah, here. And then we have... here's the fuel. And this is the bar oil. Okay, start her up, Poppy. Did you turn it on? Oh, God. There we go. She's up and running. Nice. Go. Get Benny. Okay. And that's our demonstration.